Greetings! I have for you a quick bonus bead haul. This is from Aura Crystals. I have been tasked to create a special design on their YouTube channel, and it's going to be fall themed, so I figured I'd give you all a heads up as to what I've got, and show you a little bit about what I'm working with. So, in all transparency, these beads were sent to me so that I could create a design for them, so that I could create a tutorial for them on their YouTube channel. So I highly recommend, if you want to see what I make out of these beads, go check out their channel. I'll leave links down below so that you can get updated as to when I post the tutorial for that. But I chose some really fun colors, some very fall-themed colors, and I think you all will enjoy as well. So I've got two colorways here. I'll start with like the autumn leaves themed one, and then I'll move on to the other color. And I'm also doing this as kind of a heads up too, so you can purchase materials ahead of time and such. But I have three colors of Delicas, one in a silver-lined semi-matte dyed dark orange, so a very pumpkin-y color. I got one in a red gold luster, so this one's like a transparent red, but it's shimmery, and a matte metallic bronze. That's exactly what it is, matte metallic bronze on that. That's going to be the base bracelet, and I have other pieces that I'm going to use for a focal. I've got an 18mm Rivoli in scarlet. That'll be a nice pop of red. I have these Miyuki Unions size 11 seed beads. These are new at Aura Crystals, so I don't know if you've seen these around, but I didn't know they came in a 25-gram tube, 24-gram tube. That's a lot. So these are pretty nifty. They're like the check finishes, if you've ever seen any of the check finishes, like Azuro. This one is California Gold Rush. I've got another one here, which is one of the magic finishes. We all know I'm obsessed with those, so I've got that, which actually blends really nicely with that. I've got a couple of size 15s to go around with that cabochon. A dyed silver-lined burnt orange, dark burnt orange, which is quite aptly named. It's a very red orange. And metallic light bronze. So those will just be my accents for that. And I've got a crystal backup to kind of add more sparkle. I have crystal red magma, 3mm bicones. So that is colorway number 1. So it's very fall, leafy, dried leaf things. I think it's going to be really pretty. And for colorway number 2, I have more of a kind of antiqued look. I have these three colors of Delicas in nickel-plated dyed copper, Duracoat dyed semi-matte silver-lined laurel. That has too many adjectives. And then a Duracoat dyed lavender, opaque dyed lavender. So I think that will be nice and pretty together. For the unions on this one, I got the magic green, which would be a more subtle approach to that one. I have the size 15s here. I have the size 15s once again in metallic, like bronze, so like the first one, and opaque matte leaf green, which is a nice leafy green, so I think that goes kind of well with the rest of the color scheme. For the crystal, I'm going to use Amethyst and Cyclamen Opal for my Bicones, which is really fun. So I think that's a very nice Victorian kind of approach to it. And then I have these gold clasps, simple lobster claws. They are swivelly, so they rotate and stuff, which is kind of cool, actually. I've never seen anything like that before. There's a little screw on there that kind of turns and twists with that, so that is just a simple clasp that I'm going to use for those. But, yes, that is going to be a fun fall project sometime, probably later this month. If not towards the beginning of October as well. Depends on how fast I can get through this. But I have ideas formulating in my head, and I actually have a good mechanic sense as to what's going to go on. So I think it's going to work. It's going to work. It's going to be really pretty. And yes, so be on the lookout for that tutorial. Go ahead and check out Aura Crystal's channel, because that will be up there, not on this channel. So check on that. And if you want a sneaky peek of what is going on this channel, this is what I have for the main rope for the Halloween project on Octoberween. So we have some fun herringbone variations going on. And there's going to be a focal piece, which I have, again, developed in my head, but I haven't practiced it yet, so I don't know what it's going to completely look like, but we're going for another death clock themed going on. I've done that like 2 years ago with this project, Raven Skull and Hourglass thing. So we're going to do a little bit more slightly advanced technology and go like an actual clock face. And I'll just see how that works, and I hope it works, because I think it's going to look really cool. But, yes, I just wanted to show you this quick update, just to kind of show you the shiny things, and to get you kind of hyped for fall, because I'm hyped for fall. I'm done with summer. I'm done with it. So, anyway, yes, that will do it for me. Be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out all my other shenanigans right here on YouTube, and don't forget to check out Aura Crystal's website and their YouTube channel, because I'm going to be posting fun things there. I've got most of the beginner tutorials and some intermediate stitches done there. And if you'd like to help support the channel, feel free to check me out on Patreon. I'm working on the October exclusive tutorial for that, but so far I've got 3 patterns, and 1 being released every month. So, this is the most recent one. We have the Space Pineapple, which is a lovely pair of earrings, a lovely beaded bead that you can do whatever you want with. You don't have to turn it into a pair of earrings. I just was in the mood for some really big danglies. So yes, if you'd like to learn how to do that, check out my Patreon. All links will be down below. And if you're still bored, you want some sci-fi, I do write some more sci-fi. I'm kind of working on the 2nd book for now. Everything, all the information, everything is down below. Thank you all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.